All right, welcome back to my channel, all my traders and entrepreneur. Today's video, I'm gonna show you guys my trade that's still active with FTMO right now. I almost lost close to 5,000, about 4,800, almost to my max daily loss. But I'll show you guys why I didn't exit the trade and why I still have it running right now. Okay, so let's go right straight to it. All right, so you guys can see here, right when I entered the trade, it basically just went against me like crazy. I entered this red line right here. The price was right here. My take profit was only very little, only like 8 pips, and it started to go against me. All right. So how do I handle a drawdown? Just look to your left, look at support and resistance, see if there's still buys going your way. Look at moving averages, and yeah. So right now, right here, I almost lost my account. Not my account, but lost close to 4,800 with my account. Um, I don't always use it as a stop loss. I only use it as a mental, for example, a mental stop loss. So once it goes, keep track of it and to see where it goes. Okay, so before I exit a trade, I want to see, okay, is there a bias going towards me? All right. So I'm gonna show you guys right here why I'm still in the trade. So in 15, M15 is not that great to show full support resistance. You could use it, but it's kind of small. So as you can see here on the H1, where the stop loss is at, where price is currently at, there are some resistance, especially just previously right here. There are a lot of support resistance above here. And if you look to the left right here, you can see there's a bunch right here. So when price was going up, I saw that it's still a downtrend. When I looked at H4 is where you actually really see the highs and the lows. You see here go up, down, up, down. Not only that, but price came in touch and test the MA 200 and the 50 here. So that was a good sign for me. And there's that doji here that's showing resistance that it's gonna pass the MA 200. So that's why I'm okay. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it and see where it goes. So as of right now, it's still going in my direction. Still has good support resistance. You can see here, it's hitting exactly that spot right there. Like I said, I don't usually draw this. I just look at it, see higher high, higher lows. But don't only use that for your confirmation. Use multiple things to find out. Because if you only use higher high, higher lows, if it's always perfect like that, it'll be too easy, right? So of course I use the moving averages, support resistance, and just look at the overall. Okay, so especially right here too, you can see that it's hitting the MA 50. So on a higher time frame, at least for what I've been seeing, is that each moving average it has more support and resistance on that line. You can see here it's harder for it to pass, but it does pass and it will boost up. So you can see it's a doji right here, and it's hard. It created a doji and it's coming back down. So I'm hoping you're going to come back down and hit my take profit. But like I said, right now is 10 o'clock Pacific time. 2 hours, the London session is going to open, and that's when the market's really going to move right now. For the past couple hours, it's just been consolidating, so I'm not really going to make a decision if I want to stay in. Or right now I'm staying in, but right when the London session opens in 2 hours, I'm going to check it out for the next couple hours to see if I want to stay in or not. But yeah, this is my first trade, and it's crazy. It almost hit my stop loss. So yeah, hopefully it doesn't, and hope for the best. So let me see here. I don't look at the weekly and the monthly because I feel like that's just too far out, and I don't look at that. Yeah, so right now I am negative 3,300 on my FTMO funded account. And as far as I also took two more challenges, and I'm negative 5,000 there, so I still need to come back from that account. But I'll keep you guys updated on that one probably next week and see where it goes. But thank you guys all for watching. Trading has its ups and downs. Right now, I'm hoping it'll come back to my direction But it's just a coincidence that my first trade, it's getting very close to the stop loss. But all my confirmations met, and I entered. Sometimes it's not even about what do you call it, your strategy. Sometimes it just doesn't work out in your way, right? It's not always going to be perfect. Even if a perfect setup, like this one for me, it was a perfect setup, and still it went against me. But it's not over yet. It's still going. So I will keep you guys updated on this next week as well. That's about it. Thank you guys all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and comment down below.